Hi, in this video we are going to see and if data table is empty, then a look and feel look like that. And if we want to change the look and feel of data table, then FlutterFlow has option. If we can also add our custom component, and we can also add here images. So we are going to editor, and right hand side empty list widget option is available. Default is deselect, and if we want to add some images and component, if data table record is empty, then select here, and widget type should be image or component. I select component because of, and here two component is available. I select data not found component because of I already created data not found component. I save and going to browser and instant reload for checking out reflection is reflected or not. Now application is started. Now data is not found. This component is showing here if data table record is empty. Now I add some information record in a data table. First I go app state, movie, and add item. Again select ID and movie 1. I save data and going to browser and do instant reload for checking out if data is available, then component is showing or not. Now we have one record ID 1 and movie name is movie. Now if record is available, then component is not showing. So this way we can change the look and feel of the data table.